Namaste, welcome to ICLS, Institute of Cosmetology and Laser Science, Mumbai. I am Dr. Anil Nirale, ICLS Director, Mumbai. Friends, today we will find out why people are doing cosmetology and trichology training from ICLS, Mumbai. The only reason is ICLS is scientific and makes your basics very strong. ICLS Mumbai offers you courses in trichology, cosmetology, weight loss and more 19 different courses. So overall you will get more than 23 courses in this particular field. We have got basic module, advanced module and latest module. All modules can be done by personal attendance or you can do it by flexible module. In flexible module, you will do part theory at home and then come here again for theory and practical. We have got intensive learning module in which in short period 2 days or 4 days you can complete one particular module. We have got regular modules in which you will be staying here in Mumbai for 3 months, but usually that is not feasible for everybody. So you can take benefit of intensive learning module or flexible module in which between 2 days to 20 days you can spend your time with us and get ICLS benefit. The biggest advantage of ICLS courses is after completion of courses you can come to ICLS for free revision. Yes, the revision at ICLS center is absolutely free for you. Why we are doing like this? Because we want to help you. That's the only reason why we accommodate you even after completion of your training. Many times we get doctors who are freshly passed. Either they are freshly passed intern or they are freshly passed homeopathy doctors or freshly passed Ayurvedic doctor. And then what to do next, whether to do general practice or open a simple Ayurvedic center. The disadvantage will be you will face lot of competition. So this doctor decide to do something different. We had one recently passed Ayurvedic doctor and he wanted to have a separate identity for his own practice right from the beginning. So what he did is immediately after his graduation, during internship itself, he joined at ICLS and started cosmetology, trichology course. So as soon as his internship was over, he was fresh and was not having any identity, but he started as a cosmetology specialist, trichology specialist, which gave him an upper edge for his practice. At ICLS, we get many doctors who are in the age of 70s, 71 years, 72 years, and even those doctors who are fresh. The doctors who are senior in their practice, they are coming to ICLS because they want to do something different, they want to do something better and want to have free time for themselves and their family. Recently we had one doctor, he was 72-year-old. So when he came, I asked him, sir, why you want to learn at this age this field in cosmetology and trichology? So he said, now I want to have a peaceful life, I want to have a peaceful practice. So I have done lot of research on internet and he said, I have visited also so many institutes in cosmetology and trichology, but I found ICLS Mumbai very scientific and very basic approach, and there is no glamorization. At the same time, ICLS Mumbai is not giving any false degrees and false fellowships. So that's why I have chosen ICLS Mumbai. If a doctor at 72 years chooses ICLS because of this reason, why can't you? ICLS always teaches in the most scientific manner and makes your basic very perfect. At the same time, you will get knowledge about all the latest advances, latest treatments in cosmetology and trichology field. You can obtain more information about what ICLS Mumbai is teaching in cosmetology, in trichology, by ordering our prospectus online or on mobile. The prospectus is absolutely free for all inquiries. You just have to provide your name, contact number, address and your basic qualification, and we will send you ICLS prospectus free of cost, either by email or on your WhatsApp number. Friends, you can order ICLS prospectus absolutely free of cost. You just have to give your mobile number, your contact address, name and your basic qualification, and either email us or WhatsApp so that we can send you this prospectus, which will give you all the necessary information needed for you to take decision. So what are you waiting for? Just WhatsApp us or email us today at ICLS Mumbai. Our email is info@icls.in, info@icls.in. Thank you, have a good day, and remember, do different, do better, and always give safe treatment to your patients. Thank you.